Have you ever wondered if you're making some of the most common truck mistakes without even realizing it? Well, today, we're diving into 10 things only stupid people do to their truck. From the little things that lead to huge repair bills to the habits that can seriously shorten your truck's lifespan, you might be surprised at what you've been doing wrong. So, are you sure you're not making one of these mistakes? Stick around to find out. Number 10. Driving recklessly off-road. Let's talk about reckless off-roading. Sounds fun, right? But have you thought about the damage you're doing to your truck when you go wild on rough terrain? Trucks are built to handle some tough conditions, but they're not invincible. When you drive aggressively on sharp rocks, deep mud, or loose sand, you're stressing your suspension, tires, and undercarriage like crazy. Do you really think your suspension can take all those harsh impacts without wearing out? Even off-road trucks need proper shocks and lift kits to survive, and without them, you could be looking at broken springs and busted shocks. And those tires, are yours even suited for off-roading? Standard tires just aren't made for extreme conditions, and reckless driving can easily lead to punctures, cracks, or a blowout. Not to mention the undercarriage. Rocks and rough terrain can puncture components like your exhaust and fuel tank, causing serious damage. So, why risk it? Slow down and think before you tear up the trails. Your truck will thank you later. Number 9. Skipping rust protection. Rust, the silent killer of your truck. You might think skipping rust protection is a minor mistake, but over time it can turn into a nightmare. Salt, water, dirt, and road grime can slowly eat away at your truck's frame, wheel wells, and undercarriage, weakening its structure. Sounds bad, right? Rust on the frame is the worst. Your truck's frame is the core of its strength, and if it rusts, you're looking at major structural issues. A rusted frame could mean your truck is unsafe to drive, and getting it repaired can be a major financial hit. Plus, rust on the wheel wells and undercarriage can cause leaks and holes that lead to even more damage. Skipping rust protection now might save you a few bucks, but trust me, the cost of fixing it later is much higher. Keep it clean, keep it coated, and you'll save yourself a lot of headaches and cash in the long run. Number 8. Unnecessary lift kits. Let's talk about those huge lift kits everyone seems to love. Sure, they give your truck an aggressive look and might make it seem like it's ready to conquer any off-road terrain. But have you ever considered the stability risks? Lifting your truck too high messes with its center of gravity, making it more likely to tip over, especially when turning sharply or driving on uneven surfaces. Is that really worth the risk? And how's your truck handling now? A lifted suspension messes with steering geometry, making your ride rougher and your control worse. In an emergency, do you want to be struggling to steer? Not to mention safety risks from misalignment. If the lift kit isn't installed correctly, it can mess with your braking, wheel alignment, and even your tires. And hey, did you know there are legal and insurance issues with lifting beyond certain limits? Overdoing it might not only be dangerous, but could cost you a fine, or worse, denied insurance coverage. So, is that extra height really worth it? Number 7. Improper towing practices. Towing seems simple, right? But let's be real. Improper towing can be a disaster waiting to happen. Think your truck can tow anything? Exceeding the towing capacity puts so much strain on your engine and transmission. Are you prepared to deal with overheating, premature wear, or even a potential engine failure? Then there's the hitch setup. Using the wrong hitch can lead to some dangerous situations, like the trailer detaching mid-ride. Is that something you want to risk? And what about trailer stability? Improperly loaded or unbalanced trailers cause swaying, making your truck harder to control. Why go through all that trouble when simply ensuring everything is secured can make all the difference? Don't forget the strain on your transmission. Improper gear selection while towing can cause gears to slip or overheat. Do you really want to put that kind of pressure on your truck? Proper towing isn't just about getting from point A to B. It's about doing it safely. If you're finding these truck tips helpful and want to avoid making these costly mistakes, don't forget to hit that like button. It's the best way to stay updated with all of our latest content and keep your truck running like a pro. Let's get back to it. Number 6. Neglecting warning lights. Ignoring warning lights on your dashboard might seem like a minor thing, but are you ready to pay the price for it later? Warning lights are there for a reason. They alert you to problems like low oil pressure, overheating, or brake malfunctions. So, why ignore them and let the problem escalate? By neglecting those alerts, you could end up with an engine failure or transmission breakdown, which could have been avoided with a simple fix. And don't forget how expensive it can get when you let these issues slide. Take that check engine light. If it's ignored, a small issue like a failing oxygen sensor could eventually damage your catalytic converter. And guess what? Replacing that is no cheap fix. Is that warning light just an inconvenience, or is it telling you something important about your truck's safety? Ignoring a brake or airbag warning is risky. What if the systems fail when you need them the most? And let's face it, resale value takes a hit when you've got a history of ignored warnings. So, next time you see that light, ask yourself, can you afford to ignore it? Number 5. Overloading the truck. Overloading your truck may seem like a good idea when you need to carry more stuff, but have you considered the damage it's causing? Trucks are built to carry a certain weight, and pushing beyond that limit puts a massive strain on critical components. So, what happens when you overload your truck? First up, suspension. When you carry more weight than the suspension is designed for, you're asking for broken springs, worn-out shocks, and bushings that wear out quicker than they should. And do you think your brakes can handle it? Overloading forces your brakes to work harder, which leads to brake fade, reduced stopping power, and quicker wear. Is that something you want to risk? Plus, your engine and transmission suffer as well. When you overload, the engine has to work harder, causing overheating and excessive fuel consumption. Over time, it can lead to engine failure. Oh, and don't forget tire wear. Overloading puts too much pressure on your tires, causing uneven wear or even a blowout. So, next time you load up, ask yourself, is the weight worth the cost? Number 4. Installing oversized tires without adjustments. Oversized tires can give your truck that cool, rugged look, but have you thought about the impact on your vehicle? Sure, they look great, but installing them without proper adjustments can cause all sorts of issues. Are you ready for a handling nightmare? Larger tires mess with your truck's balance and steering, making it harder to control, especially during sharp turns. So, why risk your safety just for some style? And what about your drivetrain? Oversized tires put extra strain on parts like your axle and transmission, leading to premature wear and potential breakdowns. And did you know your speedometer and odometer will be off? Bigger tires cover more ground per revolution, which means your truck will be showing a lower speed than you're actually going. Not exactly ideal for staying within speed limits, right? Oh, and don't forget the impact on fuel consumption. Larger tires increase rolling resistance, making your engine work harder and ultimately guzzling more fuel. So, is the look really worth the long-term costs? Number 3. Using cheap or incorrect parts. Cheap parts might seem like a good deal at first, but if you consider the cost in the long run, using low quality or incorrect parts can seriously mess with your truck's performance. For example, using cheap spark plugs might save you a few bucks, but they can lead to misfires, rough idling, and poor fuel efficiency. Is that really worth it? And what about repair costs? Low quality parts break faster, leading to a cycle of expensive repairs. A cheap alternator could damage your battery, which leads to electrical problems. And safety. What's more important than that? Using substandard parts like faulty brake pads can compromise your safety and handling. Not to mention, all these cheap parts will hurt your resale value. Potential buyers don't want a truck filled with mismatched, low-quality components. So, next time, think twice before cutting corners. Your truck and your wallet will thank you later. Number 2. Ignoring regular maintenance. Skipping regular maintenance might seem like a quick way to save money or time. But are you really saving in the long run? Neglecting routine tasks like oil changes, tire rotations, and brake checks can cause big problems for your truck down the road. Ever think about what happens when you don't change the oil regularly? Your engine starts running without the necessary lubrication, which leads to increased friction, overheating, and eventually engine failure. Would you rather pay for an oil change or replace an entire engine? What about your tires? If you don't rotate them, they wear unevenly, leading to poor traction, worse fuel efficiency, and even blowouts. Have you even thought about the safety risks and brake checks? Ignoring those could cost you more than just a longer stopping distance. Without regular inspections, your brakes could fail when you need them the most, putting everyone in danger. Skipping any of these small checks can lead to huge repair costs and unsafe conditions. So, why take that risk? At number 1, using dish soap for cleaning. Is dish soap the best option for cleaning your truck? It might work on your plates, but it's actually one of the worst things you can use on your vehicle. Sure, it cuts through grease, but that same power can strip away the protective wax on your truck's paint. Without that wax, your truck becomes vulnerable to UV rays, dirt, and water damage. Would you really want to risk your truck's paint job for the sake of using whatever's in your kitchen? Plus, dish soap is too harsh for paint. It can cause microabrasions, making your truck look dull and faded over time, and without that protective layer, the truck's metal is exposed to moisture, which leads to rust. So, are you willing to risk a costly repainting job just because you skip proper cleaning products? Stick to automotive soap designed for your truck, and you'll keep that shine and the truck looking great for much longer. And there you have it, 10 things only stupid people do to their truck. Which one surprised you the most? Or maybe you've been guilty of one yourself. Drop your thoughts or your own truck mistakes in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more truck tips and tricks.